Lock Talk, and I, Rita Haria, on behalf of Sparkle Entertainment, would like to explain one or two things from my side to all of you. Number one, that you might be thinking why the Lock Talks are not coming regularly every day now. The reason is when lockdown was on, my motto was to share information or the spread the word of mouth of many people, their talent, their great deeds, or maybe about their profession and business. So in that lockdown period, I had a target to release one Lock Talk every day. But now, when we are in this unlock procedure of Corona, then we will be, of course, continuing with Lock Talk procedure, but we will be sharing or releasing Lock Talks at regular intervals. And moreover, we have lost two family members due to COVID-19. So that was also really shocking for all of us. So there was a big long break in this Lock Talk. And now today we are about to begin our Lock Talk with Bhavika Dedia. Bhavika Dedia is a certified cosmetologist, trichologist, and obesity consultant. She has done diploma in skin, hair, and obesity from International University, which is affiliated with Gold Coast Training Academy, Australia. And being a cosmetologist, she is trained and licensed to perform cosmetic procedures on skin and hair, analyzing skin and hair and treating them with the root cause problem is her specialty. So, I think so. There are a lot of problems and myths about teen acne and adult acne. So, we will be having a few questions. We will be talking to her, and in future, if you have any queries, you can always contact her. She's very cooperative, and her, like her results, like her procedures, her treatments are 500% result oriented. So here we begin our Lock Talk with Bhavika Dedia. Thank you so much, Bhavika ji, for sparing your valuable time for our Lock Talk. And here I begin with my first question. Yeah, so here we begin with our first question, and the question is problems and myths of teen acne and adult acne. So how to prevent pigmentation and melasm, and how do we treat it, that we would like to understand.
Hi Rita, thank you for the lovely introduction. Let's get back to the question. Problems and myths related to adult acne and teen acne. Teen acne are caused due to the hormonal imbalance that occur in the body during puberty. There are many factors that lead to adult acne, such as hormonal imbalance, pregnancy, menopause, stress, poor lifestyle. So there is a myth that teens at an early stage in that 13, 14, 15, 16 cannot be treated for the acne and cannot go through clinical treatments or clinical sessions. No, it's a myth. It's better to treat an acne at an early stage before it leads to scar. Believe me, treating acne is much more easier than treating scars. Treating scars requires lots of time and patience. So there are 3 stages of acne: stage 1, stage 2, stage 3. So knowing the stage of acne is very important. Stage 1 is blackhead and whiteheads. Stage 2 is pustule and papules. Third is cyst and nodules. Cyst and nodules basically leads to scar. At times even stage 2 can lead to scar. So if you find a teen suffering from acne and that acne is leading to scar, it's very necessary to treat it at that stage. So depending upon the stage of acne, there are treatments available. Like for stage 1, we recommend topical treatments, tropical ointments that are available in the market. Stage 2 has to be combined with tropical ointment as well as oral medications, and stage 3 has to be combined with tropical ointment, oral medications, and clinical treatments. So depending upon the type of acne. Similarly, it goes for the adult acne. Knowing the type of acne, the stage of acne, the treatment is recommended. peels and lasers work amazing for adult acne, and for teens there are very delicate treatments designed according to the skin type and for the delicate skin, like zinc therapy, high frequency, at times lasers if it is a stage 3. So all the procedures are very safe, keeping in mind the delicate skin of the child. So it's a myth that adult or teen acne cannot be treated at an early age. What are the causes and treatments available for pigmentation and melasma? So basically the causes of pigmentation is sun exposure, which we all know. It may also be age related, skin inflammation, skin injuries, hormonal influence can also lead to pigmentation and hyperpigmentation. Melasma on the other hand can be caused due to birth control pills, hormonal therapy, pregnancy, stress and thyroid can also cause melasma. So how to prevent pigmentation? The very important step in preventing pigmentation is a sunscreen minimum SPF with a minimum SPF of 30, followed by a good vitamin C serum and a good moisturizer. This has to be your daily routine to prevent pigmentation, be it in whether you are indoors or outdoors. Applying vitamin C serum followed by a moisturizer and a sunscreen minimum of SPF 30 is a must twice a day. Then another prevention is reducing your screen time, your laptop time, avoiding blue lights. That can be done by reducing your screen time on the mobile and laptops. So these are the preventions for the pigmentation and melasmas. So clinical treatments available for pigmentation which are deep onto the dermal layer. If it's on the upper layer of the skin, it can be treated with ointments available in the market such as Koji Glow, Glycolic 6% under the supervision of a cosmetologist or dermatologist. But if it's deep enough, it has to be combined with the treatment of ointments, Q-switch lasers and peels. They give amazing results and you can be treated of the pigmentation within a span of 6 months.
Yeah, so my next question for you, Bhavika ji, is what are peels? How do peels work? Because nowadays, many women, even my friends, they always tell that if you go for peels, your skin will be much more better than normal and regular treatments like facials and all. So can you please explain us in detail that what peels mean?
How do peels work? Peels are divided into three categories: mild peel, medium peel, advanced peel. Mild peel exfoliates the stratum corneum, that is the dead layer of your skin that is formed on the upper layer, that is the epidermis layer of your skin. Second comes the medium peel. It exfoliates fully the first layer of your skin, that is the epidermis layer of your skin. It exfoliates fully the epidermis layer of your skin. Then comes the advanced peel. Advanced peel works on the dermal layer, that is the second layer of your skin. It exfoliates fully or partially the dermal layer of your skin. So when these peels work on the deep layer of the dermal layer of your skin, it increases the collagen and elastin production in your body, which eventually results in skin rejuvenation. It gets rid of acne, it gets rid of acne scars, it gets rid of hyperpigmentation, pigmentation, fine lines, wrinkles. It can get rid of oily skin. You can get rid of open pores. So peels work wonders for your skin. They work on the deeper layer of your skin, which eventually leads to skin rejuvenation and younger looking skin. So peels are the girl's best friend as of now.
Yeah, here comes my third question for you, Bhavika ji, that how do laser treatments work and what are myths and misunderstandings related to laser, that we should avoid laser treatments, it's not good, so I would really like to understand rather
how do laser treatments work and the myths connected with the laser treatment. So all the laser treatment machines are made so as to specifically target the specific area to be treated. Like if you are going for a laser hair removal treatment, It will target only the root of the hair without damaging the surrounding of the skin. It will not damage the surrounding of your skin. It will only target the root of your hair which has to be treated. So the other question I have, people asking how many sittings are required. It depends from machine to machine. There are many machines available in the market. So according to the type of the machine, the sittings required may be 6 to 8 or maximum 12 sittings for complete hair removal. Then I have people asking me, does it work for everyone? Yes, it works for everyone above the age of 14. And what should you expect from laser hair removal? See, laser hair removal works very good on thicker hair. So if you have a thick coarser hair, you can expect a complete hair removal. If you have a finer hair, fine hair only gets finer. It is not to be seen. So these are the myths connected with the laser, and white hair cannot be got rid of. Only the black, darker the hair, the results are much more better. So these are the myths connected with the laser treatments.
Here comes my next question and biggest problem on this earth I feel everyone is facing. I have seen many teenagers, I've seen youngsters, I've seen, middle age or senior citizens. Everyone has one problem, that is hair fall. So, can you please explain what are the causes of hair fall and what treatments are available, and can we really prevent our hair fall, stop it? Do we get new hair growth with your treatments? We would like to understand that.
What are the factors that lead to a hair fall and the treatments available for hair fall? So the factors that lead to a hair fall are hormones, hereditary, age, significant weight loss, stress, poor nutrition, medical conditions. All these conditions can lead to a hair fall. Even lack of nutrients like vitamin A, C, D, E, vitamin B, zinc, protein, iron, biotin and essential fatty acids all play a major role in hair fall. So correcting this deficiency may promote your hair growth. So it's very important to have a good blood circulation in your scalp, and including these foods which are rich in these nutrients will help you promote your hair growth. If a person suffering from excessive hair fall, then there are treatments available such as high frequency derma roller along with mesotherapy. Growth factors in the form of peptides are injected in the scalp. Even there is a PRP treatment, platelet rich plasma treatment available for excessive hair fall.
India has always heavy sunlight, and we have understood that whenever you go out, even you are at home, you should apply sunscreen, and sunscreen really protects your skin. But sometimes we feel that it becomes too sticky, it's not comfortable. So that also we would like to understand that how important it is to prevent any skin infection or any skin problem with sunscreen. So how important it is, that we would like to understand.
What is the importance of sunscreen and what is the daily routine to be followed to take care of your skin? So sunscreen plays a very important role in day-to-day life. It protects your skin from the ultraviolet UVA and UVB rays, which can lead to tanning, pigmentation, dark spots, sagging, wrinkles, etc. Apply a sunscreen minimum of SPF 30. Even if you are indoors, you need to apply a sunscreen. Make it a daily habit of applying sunscreen and you will see miracles. So the daily skincare routine to be followed is the CTM routine. It's just a simple wash your face with a face wash. If your skin is oily, you can include a salicylic based face wash. If your skin is dry, take a moisturizer, cream based face wash. Then follow it by cleansing, followed by toner, and then by a moisturizer. This is the same routine to be followed in the night. If you are applying makeup, please see to it that you remove the makeup with a good makeup remover. Then follow the CTM routine. In case you are dealing with any problems related to wrinkles or pigmentation, you can include a serum before applying a moisturizer. Vitamin C serum helps brighten the skin. There is hyaluronic based serum available in the market which can make your skin look firmer and plumper. There are serums available in the form of glutathione which will also help you brighten the skin. So any age related issues if you have, then you can include moisturizers which have retinoid based in it. So according to the problems you have to your skin, you have to buy the moisturizers and serums and include that in your daily routine. Exfoliating your skin twice a week will help to get rid of your dead cells. So followed by exfoliation, cleansing, toning, moisturizing, serum and sunscreen, you can have a very nice glowy skin, a glass skin which will thank you. Follow this routine and it will do wonders for your skin.